Hello friends, hope you are doing well. As you know, I always bring trending content for you. So today, we're taking a deep dive into the Tesla Model X, a luxury electric SUV with some seriously unique features. But before moving forward in the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to subscribe so that you keep getting new trending videos to watch. Now, let's move on to the video. Introducing the Tesla Model X, revolutionizing the future of electric vehicles. In the ever-evolving landscape of automotive innovation, one name stands out: Tesla. Known for its groundbreaking electric vehicles, Tesla continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of sustainable transportation. At the forefront of this revolution is the Tesla Model X, a vehicle that seamlessly combines luxury, performance, and environmental consciousness like never before. Design and engineering. The Tesla Model X isn't just a car, it's a marvel of engineering and design. With its sleek aerodynamic exterior and falcon-wing rear doors, the Model X turns heads wherever it goes. But its beauty isn't just skin deep. Underneath the surface, the Model X boasts cutting-edge technology and innovative features that set it apart from the competition. One of the most notable features of the Model X is its dual-motor all-wheel drive system, which provides unparalleled traction and control in all driving conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering rough terrain, the Model X delivers a smooth, responsive driving experience that's second to none. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Model X is in a league of its own. With instant torque and lightning-fast acceleration, this electric SUV can go from 0 to 60 mph in just seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the market. But speed isn't the only thing that the Model X has to offer. Thanks to its long-range battery and efficient electric drivetrain, the Model X can travel hundreds of miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long road trips or daily commutes. Safety. Safety is a top priority for Tesla, and the Model X is no exception. Equipped with an array of advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, and lane keeping assist, the Model X is designed to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. And with its rigid aluminum chassis and reinforced battery pack, the Model X offers unparalleled protection in the event of a collision, giving you peace of mind wherever your journey takes you. Interior. Step inside the Model X, and you'll be greeted by a spacious, luxurious interior that's unlike anything you've ever seen. With seating for up to 7 adults and ample cargo space, the Model X is perfect for families, road trips, and everything in between. But it's not just practical, it's also incredibly comfortable and stylish. From the premium materials to the state-of-the-art technology, every aspect of the Model X's interior is designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. Conclusion. In summary, the Tesla Model X is more than just a car. It's a symbol of the future of transportation. With its groundbreaking design, unparalleled performance, and advanced safety features, the Model X is redefining what it means to drive an electric vehicle. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an environmentalist, or just someone who appreciates good design, the Model X has something for everyone. So why wait? Experience the future of driving today with the Tesla Model X. Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome trucks and cars content. We will back with other video, and thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.